How to fix GTA 5 FPS drop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix GTA 5 FPS drop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step you will need to take is search for GTA 5 and head over to its file location. Since I don't have GTA 5, I'll just use this Steam for example. Right click on it and head over to its properties. On the properties of your GTA 5, you'll find an option called compatibility. Head over to this compatibility tab. Right here, you will see an option. You will need to tick on this disable full screen optimization and run this program as administrator. After you do that, also select run this program in compatibility mode for. Just take this in and choose the one that's the highest here. After doing that, tap on apply and then tap on OK. After doing that, your problem should get fixed, and that's how you fix GTA 5 FPS drop issue. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe and also don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.